CBI stands for Challenge-Based Innovation. It's a multidisciplinary project-based program that originated here at CERN with the explicit goal to connect CERN research and technologies with societal challenges.
It provides interconnectivity to ideate solutions for the better future of humankind.
It's a brand new experience that came up from different experience of three of the most important institutions of Spain and Barcelona.
In each group, we had students from the engineering school in Barcelona, students from the design school in Barcelona, and a student from Esade.
We've been running for 10 years, and in this program, students from design, students from engineering, students from business need to work together to understand problems, work with technology from CERN in Geneva, and they then come up with prototypes to create great solutions which will create impact.
The students could participate in a lot of activities, especially those that involve design students or engineering students.
For the engineering students, the learning every year is to take into account the final users and all the stakeholders. So we have to learn the language of MBAs, to learn the language of designers, and this is a transformative experience.
It's really about learning how to deal with different people, working with them in different environments, and really coming up with a really great idea.
It's very good when people from different spheres come together and start talking. We actually have a lot in common.
I've learned a lot of new things, and I'm thrilled to work with these people. We were expecting some good proposals from the students, but the final projects were amazing. They were very well worked with technical data behind a new business model.
The students were given sustainable development goals, and from there we asked them to define their own challenge and find a solution.
We started the CBI course last September, and I'm pretty sure that we're going to see some great results really coming out of all of this.
We did a lot of research, and we discovered that even though men and women, they fall equal amount of times, 80% of the injuries happen to women.
We're measuring electrical impedance with sensors on the surface of mat. We can get the exact type of fruit or vegetable it is, and also the state of the food in real time.